Once you turn 60, air travel begins to shift in ways almost nobody talks about. Across major airports and airlines in the US, Europe, and Asia, certain rules and services quietly work in your favor, yet they rarely appear on signs or booking pages. They can reduce long waits, lower costs, and make every trip easier, but most senior travelers never use them. Why? Because many of these benefits require extra staff or flexibility behind the scenes. Airlines and airports seldom highlight them, not to hide them, but because wide awareness would create operational strain. So these advantages remain in policy, but rarely in public view. Here's the part that matters. None of them activate automatically. You unlock them only when you know what to ask for, and once you do, your travel experience changes immediately. The difference between knowing and not knowing is time, comfort, and often hundreds of dollars. In this guide, you'll discover 10 senior travel rights that already exist and that you can claim on your very next flight. Number 10. The quiet airport services. Seniors rarely know exist. At many major airports across North America, Europe, and Asia, there is a set of assistance services designed for older travelers. They were created to reduce fatigue, prevent long walks from becoming overwhelming, and make navigation through large terminals safer. But almost no one hears about them. You won't see them on signs. You won't find them in booking emails. Most travelers pass through terminals without knowing these services exist at all. The reason is simple. Providing personal assistance requires staff, coordination, and time. If every eligible traveler used the service, airports would struggle to manage the demand. So these benefits remain tucked quietly under special assistance, waiting for the few people who know to ask. Once a senior traveler makes the request, support becomes available immediately. Airports can arrange wheelchair transport, electric carts when the terminal offers them, guidance through security, help with navigating long corridors, and even escorting all the way to the gate. No medical document is required. Age and a clear request are usually enough. The key sentence is straightforward. Do you offer assistance for senior passengers? For those who ask, long, exhausting walks turn into calm, guided movement. For those who don't, the hidden service stays invisible, even though it was available the entire time. Many seniors never request these services simply because they assume they're reserved for people with visible mobility issues. But the programs were designed as preventive support, not emergency assistance. For older travelers passing through large or unfamiliar airports, asking for help can dramatically reduce stress and conserve energy. And once you've used it, the convenience becomes obvious. You recognize how much unnecessary strain you had accepted in the past. Number 9. The seat upgrade window. Airlines hope you never notice. Here's a truth airlines rarely say out loud. Some of the best seats on the plane don't open until just hours before departure, and most travelers never see them because they move too early. Airlines adjust their seating charts constantly. Cancellations appear. No-shows disrupt the layout. Operational blocks are lifted as departure gets closer. But when travelers check in exactly 24 hours before the flight, they lock their seat long before these changes happen. The real shift occurs 3 to 5 hours before departure. This is when airlines run their final optimization, and hidden seats, aisles, windows, extra legroom positions suddenly appear. Senior travelers often benefit because airlines prefer placing calm, reliable passengers in stable areas of the cabin. But timing is everything. Those who wait see seats that were invisible all day. Those who rush miss every opportunity. This final reshuffle window is when airlines release seats previously blocked for operational reasons. Seniors who wait often find themselves moving from tight middle seats to more comfortable positions without paying extra. It's not a trick, just timing. Knowing when to check gives travelers a quiet advantage that most people overlook. Number 8. The hidden baggage rule that quietly saves seniors money. Some airlines around the world offer additional baggage allowances for senior travelers, yet most passengers never hear about them. These allowances may mean a slightly higher weight limit, a reduced excess fee, or even an extra bag, but they are usually buried deep inside policy pages or mentioned only when someone asks. Airlines seldom promote these rules because baggage fees generate enormous revenue. Every unclaimed allowance is profit left untouched, so the information exists, but it stays quiet. Senior travelers who ask often receive benefits that were nowhere on the website. Many report saving enough to offset part of a future trip simply by knowing to request the allowance. The principle is simple. Even if you don't see it written clearly, ask. These allowances matter most on international trips, where seniors often travel longer or carry gifts and essentials. Some regions still maintain generous senior policies, but staff mention them only if prompted. A simple question at check-in can reveal options that never appear online and can meaningfully reduce travel costs. Number 7. The airport escort service seniors walk past every day. Many major airports provide guided assistance for older passengers, even without a medical certificate. These services were created to help senior travelers move comfortably through long corridors, crowded checkpoints, and complex terminal layouts. Airports seldom promote them, not because they are hidden on purpose, but because widespread use would require far more staff than most terminals can allocate. So the service stays visible only to those who know what to request. A senior traveler who asks may be guided through security, assisted with documents, supported during long walks, or escorted directly to the gate. The process begins with a simple request for senior assistance. Those who ask move easily. Those who don't continue navigating airports alone, unaware that help was already available. In large hubs, this assistance can significantly speed up transit because escort staff know shortcuts and priority lanes. It isn't luxury, it's efficiency. Seniors who try it once often begin requesting it regularly, realizing how much smoother airports feel when someone guides the process. Number 6. Why senior discounts don't appear on comparison sites. Price comparison websites rarely show the lowest fare available to seniors because they don't collect age information before displaying results. If the system doesn't know a traveler qualifies, it cannot show the reduced fare. Airlines, however, often offer lower prices or additional flexibility to older travelers. Some include seat selection, others offer more flexible cancellation terms, and a few provide special senior fare classes. But none of these appear unless age is entered directly into the airline's own booking system. Senior travelers who rely only on search engines frequently pay more than necessary. Those who check the airline's website or make a quick phone call unlock fares the comparison sites cannot display. Airlines in certain regions still apply age-based fares or added flexibility for older travelers. These options rarely appear through aggregators, but agents can apply them manually when asked. Seniors who take a moment to check directly often find lower prices or terms that suit their travel style better. Number 5. The quiet priority. Boarding option. Many seniors never use. Some airlines allow older travelers to board earlier, even though the option is almost never printed or announced. It exists to create a calmer, safer boarding experience for passengers who may benefit from extra time and space. Airlines seldom promote it because early boarding slows the overall process. If many passengers requested it, operations would be affected. So the option remains available but unspoken. A senior traveler who asks at the gate can often be moved into an earlier group, avoiding the rush and securing overhead bin space without stress. A short question can change the experience entirely. Early boarding is especially helpful for seniors carrying medication or items that take time to stow. Gate agents generally appreciate polite requests because it prevents congestion later in the aisle. The benefit is simple: more time, less pressure, safer movement. Number 4. The complimentary refreshments crew still offer to seniors who ask. Although many airlines now charge for snacks and drinks, crew members still have limited discretion to offer small comfort items to passengers who may need them. Senior travelers often fall naturally into this category. These gestures aren't guaranteed and aren't shown on any menu, but they remain part of the quiet hospitality built into cabin crew culture. A polite request may result in a drink, a light snack, or more attentive service throughout the flight. And once again, the difference begins with asking. On long flights, crew often keep a closer eye on seniors who express discomfort. This can mean a warm drink, extra water, or small check-ins that make the flight easier. These gestures aren't guaranteed, but they are far more common than many travelers realize. Number 3. The last-minute upgrade window. Almost no senior uses. Just before boarding, airlines run a final seat review. In those few minutes, seats that were blocked all day, for operational reasons or anticipated no-shows, often become available. Gate agents have the discretion to reassign travelers to improve boarding flow. Calm and courteous senior passengers frequently match the profile staff feel comfortable moving into better seats. Most travelers never ask, assuming upgrades always require payment or elite status. But timing matters more than status, and a polite question just before boarding can lead to a noticeably better seat. Sometimes the answer is no, but when the answer is yes, the difference is immediate. This brief window, sometimes only minutes long, can result in noticeably better seating for seniors who ask. Even when a full upgrade isn't available, a move to a quieter or more spacious row can make long flights significantly more comfortable. Number 2. The compensation rules. Seniors don't realize work in their favor. Here's something few older travelers realize. During major delays or cancellations, senior passengers often receive more flexibility than the official rules suggest, if they ask for it. Airlines follow regional regulations when flights are disrupted. These may include refunds, hotel stays, meal vouchers, rebooking, or transportation to another airport. But staff also have internal guidelines allowing them to offer additional support to older travelers who may be more affected by long waits or complex rerouting. This can mean priority rebooking. It can mean access to a quiet space during long delays. It can mean more generous meal arrangements. None of it activates automatically. But when a senior traveler identifies themselves and asks for the full assistance available, agents often respond quickly. The difference between asking and not asking can reshape the entire disruption experience. Delays affect older travelers differently, and agents often adjust their approach when a senior politely explains their situation. Faster rebooking, access to a quiet space, or help arranging meals can follow. These aren't special favors, they are practical accommodations staff are allowed to offer. Number 1. Why these senior perks stay quiet. Even though they're real. All of the advantages described in this guide exist within airline and airport procedures. But none of them scale easily. If every eligible traveler requested escorts, early boarding, flexible seating, or enhanced support during delays, operational systems would struggle to keep up. So the benefits remain understated. They are written into guidelines, available upon request, but rarely highlighted publicly. Senior travelers who know what to ask unlock a smoother, more comfortable journey. Those who don't continue traveling as though nothing more were possible. Knowledge is what changes the experience. These rights remain understated because they work only when activated by informed travelers. Seniors who know when and how to request support often experience calmer, more comfortable journeys. In a complex system, clarity becomes its own type of upgrade. You've just learned the travel rights and advantages most senior passengers never hear about. They aren't automatic, and they aren't advertised. But they exist for those who know how to ask. Before your next trip, remember to request the support available to you. A single question can turn a stressful journey into a calm one. In air travel, the most valuable perks aren't sold, they're discovered.